it. I have a Brother SQ, I think it's 9,000. It fits in here perfectly, as does the extension arm. I've got plenty of extra space on the top here. It does not come up all the way, so there's plenty of extra space both inside and on top. You know, I could lay my project. It's got multiple pockets on this side. Has a nice big carrying strap. It also has these kind of straps that, I don't know what you call it, where they fit together, and I have a short one, and then you have the long one on top of it. Long one. And then you've got Velcro pockets over here. So, all in all, I'm happy with it. I like the color. The material seems really sturdy. It's kind of like an insulated bag inside. Did I show you that? You know, that plastic stuff you get like on lunch bags, which is good if you have cats that hang out in your craft room and want to puke on things. So, so yeah. So I'm happy with it.